Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare Ensure Gold full guide. Start by cleaning gold with mild soap and warm water, then dry with a soft cloth and inspect for damage. Use a jeweler's loupe to check for wear, loose settings, or solder breaks. Store gold in separate soft pouches to avoid scratches, and label pieces by purity or sentiment so you can track maintenance and value easily. Keep acids and harsh cleaners away from plated or low-carat pieces to prevent damage and color loss. For purity checks, use a magnet test, weight comparison, and consider an acid test by a pro. When transporting gold, cushion it and avoid extreme temperatures. Document pieces with photos and receipts for insurance. Regularly polish with a non-abrasive cloth and retain original boxes for better resale and safekeeping. Replace worn chains to prevent loss. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with long-term gold planning and mindset. I find its clear advice complements physical asset strategies and budgeting for purchases. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose storage based on value. Small valuables can stay at home in a safe, while higher value pieces should go to a bank safe deposit. Insure gold with a floater or personal property rider, and update appraisals after major market shifts or repairs. Schedule professional inspections yearly and clean at home only when necessary to avoid removing plating or delicate finishes. Keep records of serials, purchase dates, and appraisal documents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.